Or is it video? Hey folks, recently I got selected for Metaschool's web3 cohort among thousands of developers, and you can see the welcome note. Fair kya? We got in the first week induction session. This was more like an intro session about the cohort. Here I met the founder of Metaschool, Fatima, Setu, Sneha and peers for the cohort. Honestly, I learned a lot about web3 and the market needs. Due to some technical glitch, I was enrolled late, but thanks to team, it was sorted. By the way, this is my build in public challenge for web3, and I will be posting the progress throughout the month. So if you want to be a part of this journey, feel free to follow me. You can check out the curriculum by visiting this link on the screen. This is what included in the curriculum, and guess what? The results were awesome. I built my first contract, technically first 2 contracts following the official guide. Also added them on GitHub. Feel free to check out my GitHub profile and the results, and these are the results. I've done my first transaction on the screen. I have created my first app called Highnitin Web, and here's a sneak peek. Also, I'm still learning the vocabulary for Web3, so feel free to correct me. Thank you so much Metaschool for making such platform. Thank you so much Fatima, Setu, Sneha for such a wonderful community. This is absolutely dope.